In this video, I'm going to show you another newish feature in Canva, and this I call /magic. And it's basically a way to save a lot of time in Canva when you're creating your designs. So this is best shown through example. So I'm just going to jump in here. I'm going to choose Instagram ad as my starting point, and I'm going to go ahead and jump in here. Okay, so it's launching a new Instagram ad project. I will look at my templates. I'm going to do a search for maybe Valentine's Day. We'll make this a theme tutorial here. So Valentine's Day, it's getting close to Valentine's Day as I create this. So I'll grab something here and I'll just pull this one here in here as a starting point. Now, in the past, whenever you have something like this and you want to add elements such as, something from the photos, you would come over here, you would go under elements if you wanted to look under graphic elements, but there is actually a quicker way to actually sort of design on the fly where you don't have to spend as much time going over here into the menus. And that is if you're anywhere in your project and you're not inside a text box or anything, and you just hit the / on your keyboard, it's going to bring up this little element contextual search box right on your screen. And you can see already right here, you can scroll down here and see things like text, line, arrow, circle, square. So in other words, if I just hit text, I could go ahead and bring some new text into my design just like that, just by using this little contextual menu. We use that / on your keyboard. Now, if you come down here, you see other things. You see tables, emojis, and so on and so on. So you can look through that, but you can also just search in here. So if I wanted to search for Valentine's Day, I could just type it right into this search box right here. Type in Valentine's Day, go ahead and hit enter. But before I do, I could even come in here and limit my search even farther. I could search for just photos. So if I search for Valentine's Day and just photos, suddenly here in this search box, I can preview all these photos. So maybe I like this one. I want this to be my new background. So I'll drag that over into my design. Boom, just like that. So again, using this / little search thing, if you come back on your screen, it'll disappear, but then you can bring it back up anytime by just using that / on your keyboard. So now if I just want to type in R for rectangle, bring up rectangle. Maybe I want a new rectangle as part of my design. So maybe I'm going to make this sort of a sale promotional thing for my storefront. So I'll resize this and then I'll reposition this. So let me just grab this and drag it out. Now I have this text behind there getting in the way, so let me just move this up to the top. Now this text here, I want to make this smaller, so let me just drag this down to a size I think this is going to work. And I'll come in here, double click on the text, and I'll do something like shop our Valentine's Day specials. And so then I can drag that and position it up here. I might want to come in here and change the font color. So again, all the other stuff works the same, but I'm just showing you that really quickly you can come in here and really quickly find new elements or photos for your design using that / trick to bring up this contextual menu here. So maybe I'll type in something like heart again, and you can combine keywords. So maybe I'm going to do animated this time also because I'm looking for animated elements. That wouldn't be under photos, so I'm going to search under graphics, and oh, right away, I like this guy a lot. So let me pop this guy into my design. I'm just going to move him here to the side for a second. I want to reorganize the text. Now, if I want to just grab all this text here, the problem is if I try to drag a box around it, I'm also getting my heart, potentially my background. So one thing you can do is you can start to lock things down. So if I have my background the way I like it, I can lock it down. I could lock this guy down temporarily using this lock icon up here. And then I'm just going to drag and grab everything else. And that should just be the text element. So then I can group those. I will size those down. I didn't realize there were these little flower elements, but we can go ahead and drag that back up. Now, I'm not sure if I love those flower elements, so I'm going to ungroup and I'm going to actually get rid of those. But let me just grab all these again and group and just position that up here. And then now this guy here, just come over here and I will unlock him and drag him, and he's going to look really cool. I think maybe we can even make him stand right on top of the heart like that. And again, use your arrow keys if you want to nudge them up into perfect position. So that is really cool. So I'm not going to design this any farther. I think it is a pretty cool little design. But the idea is just making the design process easier by using this / trick on your keyboard where you bring up this contextual menu. It just saves you time looking for elements and photos where you don't have to go over through all these menus. You can just really quickly do it right here. All right, I hope that helps. Again, that's the / on your keyboard. Bring up this contextual menu and lets you search for things and add them to your design really easily. Hey, thanks so much for watching. If you like these sorts of Canva tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe below. And let me know in the comments, did you already know about this forward slash feature in Canva? What do you think of it? And what are some of your other Canva favorite features? Okay, until next time, happy designing.